Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see all games in your Steam library. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Library. Go ahead and click on it. This is your central hub for accessing all the games you own on Steam. After clicking Library, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see your complete game list displayed there. This panel shows all the games currently visible in your library, making it easy to browse through your collection and quickly launch any game you want to play. Now, if you want to explore different categories and organize your view better, click on the Games drop-down menu in the upper left corner. This menu allows you to see all categories like games, tools, and even lets you group by collection. It's a helpful way to sort through your library if you have a large number of items and want to find specific types of content quickly. Sometimes games might be filtered without you realizing it, which can hide certain titles from your view. To check this, look in the upper left corner and click the Advanced Filter Options button. This opens up a panel where you can customize exactly what types of games appear in your library based on various criteria. If you want to refine your view even further, you can check the boxes beside options like single player, multiplayer, cooperative, and other library filter options. These filters help you narrow down your game list based on how you want to play, making it easier to find games that match your current mood or gaming session. Now, if you've hidden some games in the past and want to find them, there's a specific way to view those titles. In the upper left corner, click on View, then select Hidden Games from the drop-down menu that appears. This feature is useful because it reveals all the games you've intentionally hidden from your main library view. Once you select Hidden Games, you'll see all your hidden titles displayed in the left panel. If you want to unhide any of these games and bring them back to your main library, simply right-click on the game you want to restore. Then hover your mouse over Manage and select Remove from Hidden. The game will immediately return to your regular library view where you can access it normally again. And that's it. You now know how to view all your games in Steam, including those you've filtered or hidden. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.